Hello, and welcome to another video. This is a quick tutorial on how to make easy gift tags for Christmas or other occasions. I will leave a link to the Christmas SVGs if you want to use them in the description. These are completely free to download. Let's start by drawing out a rectangle using the tool from the sidebar. Click and drag your rectangle to the size you want. Then we are going to add an extra node to the shape so we can easily edit it. To do this, select the node tool from the side toolbar. If you hover over it, you will see the options this tool gives. We will be pressing M on our keyboard. This is to add a midpoint node. Before we can add the node, we must right-click our mouse with the shape selected. This is to convert it to a path, or we won't be able to add the node. Once this is done, we can simply click and drag our node up to create our new shape. Now select the ellipse tool from the side toolbar. This is to add a hole for our string or ribbon. Align your circle to the middle of the tag, and then right-click to group them. Now either use your own shapes, or the ones from the download link to create some personal gift tags. I will show you the ones I made, but speed up to keep the video shorter. Thanks for watching. I hope the video has helped. If you would like to help me, please consider subscribing. Many thanks and see you next video.